Good afternoon, Dr. Bierstraight and Professor Weiss, along with all my colleagues at SMSU. Welcome to Chatterpix as part of my technology presentation for our focus activity. I am focusing on insect recall and remembering according to Bloom's taxonomy with small groups of students. So enjoy the screencast and Chatterpix and Seesaw. Welcome to the Green Raccoon Room. Students have been learning about insects over the past 3 weeks. These Chatterpix were created during small group instruction as part of our literacy centers. Students participated in remembering facts about insects while incorporating reading, writing, listening, and speaking, which is something that I try to do every day, all the time. It's important for all learners and especially important for our EL learners. So enjoy Gwith talking to you about praying mantis.
And they have antenna, and they have 3 body parts, and they have big eyes.
So kids love doing Chatterpix because it is instant feedback for them. They get to hear their voice. It helps them build confidence in what they know, because they do know it, and they just have some fun presenting information in a more interesting way for them. So down here, I have, during our small group discussion, we were discussing ants, and I have 2 friends from 2 separate groups that answered the same question differently. So here is Felix's answer to his explanation of what silk is after a friend wondered what silk was.
Hey Felix, what are you demonstrating for us?
That's silk. There's some blue, and then some white, white, white. It's a pattern. Silk is a pattern.
Yeah, so what does it do you think?
It covers up worms and ants.
Okay, all right.
That's why I see worms under the silk. Where's the eye? Oh, worms don't have eyes. Do you know where the bump is?
Okay, so that was his visual way of explaining what silk is. And another friend asked what silk was, and a friend was able to answer it.
What is silk?
Ask your question.
What is silk? Silk is a giant line. It's a giant line that's sticky.
Okay, so it's fun to see my students learn and present in different ways. To wrap up our conversation here, I had started a writing exercise with students, and it was all about what bugs me. And they understood that when we say, well, what bugs me, it means to annoy you. And you'll see from this student here that she clearly understands that, that language.
You sound it out. Give yourself a space. Talk too much or all the time? What do you want to say? Okay. All. Can you all? Give yourself a space. The. Nice job. One more time. Okay. Now can you read it for me? Really?
Bugs me when I plug them and sister talks
All the time. And look at your picture.
So thank you for looking at my Chatterpix and Seesaw, in my paper I will clearly explain how to set these systems up for you in your classroom. They really are a very fun way to present information. You can also publish this globally by hitting this world icon down here and publish to a blog, and then it says it's published to my blog, and looking over here, here's my blog. So now anyone around the world can see these 2 videos, and here you get your own web address there. So that is my technology presentation on remembering insects. Thank you.